I found that getting passport photos taken in both North America and Europe costs a fortune, so I wanted to share with you step by step exactly how you can get your passport. The first step is to take a passport photo. You can choose a bright background and then use a tripod, or ask someone to take a front-facing photo of you. Next, editing the photo. Let me introduce a free online tool, Picsman.ai. Go to their homepage and find the passport photo tool in the menu. Take this photo as an example. Step 1. Select your country. Step 2. Choose the background color. Step 3. Export and save the image. Print it out and you'll get a perfect passport photo. Besides passport photos, click here to make Visa, green card, and even DV lottery photos. One tool to rule them all. Alright, if this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.